Hello, Viking friends around the world. In our specially themed Dog Appreciation Week, we introduce you to some very interesting two-legged and four-legged friends to celebrate our canine companions around the world. On Museum Monday, we meet dogs so extraordinary that they've been immortalized in statues around the world. Then on Tuesday, those of you who've missed seeing Alistair, he's back. And in conversation with Alan Parton, founder and vice chairman of Hounds for Heroes, who shares his moving story of how his support dog Endel helped him recover from devastating injuries sustained during military service. Then we're off on our Wanderlust Wednesday when we travel to Alta, far north in my home country of Norway. Here we learn more about huskies, who many of our guests on our In Search of the Northern Lights itinerary have the pleasure of meeting for real. What a fantastic interview Anne Diamond had with Jeffrey Archer last week. That was last Thursday. If you missed it, I highly recommend you watch it on catch up here on Viking.TV. This week, Anne meets Claire Cook, the author of Must Love Dogs, a book that was turned into a major Hollywood film starring Diane Lane and John Cusack. They discuss the stories behind the many books that she's written, as well as how it's never too late in life to find success, however you might want to measure success. Then on Friday, we're at home with Lord and Lady Carnarvon and their 9 dogs, half of whom are actually related to Finse and Charlie here. And they share with us why dogs in particular mean so much to their family. And then on Saturday, how I long to see Mona Therese in person, but for a little while longer, we have to join her virtually to sort out those stiff joints and cobwebs in our minds. Mona Therese is back as usual on Saturday, restoring harmony to our bodies and to our minds. Last week, we simulcast Sissel streaming on Viking.TV as well as on Viking's Facebook channel, and we had great engagement. We are so pleased that Sissel's magical presence and angelic voice reached so many of you then, and she continues the Christmas spirit this Sunday. Without a doubt, with 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or even 5 of her dogs somewhere around her, either on camera or not too far away. I'm quite sure of that. Anyway, we hope you enjoy this Dog Appreciation Week. And if there are any dogs in your lives, give them extra cuddles and thanks this year for having been such faithful companions through what I think for the world, of course, has been a tough year. Thank you, doggies. Yeah, thank you, Finse. And thank you, Charlie. Bye.